Hi, this is Abaya. I'm out at the river here in the Salto Valley, and I am practicing some rewilding here, and specifically with my feet, because rocks are a great, these round rocks here are a great tool for rebuilding your feet so that you can walk barefoot and feel the earth underneath your feet. And so, you know, when you walk on barefoot, in general, you know, our feet are atrophied because we've been wearing shoes our whole life or whatever, and that's weakened our feet because they've been kind of they've been supported with a crutch. And so in order to rehabilitate your feet, you need to use them. That means take your shoes off and walk barefoot. And the problem is that, you know, if your feet aren't strong enough, then you can run into problems, and you are going to run into problems unless you know a little bit about it, how to approach it. And the best thing to do, you start out slowly by walking barefoot for small periods of time, and then you gradually increase that. And also along the way is to get some kind of rehabilitation for your feet. That means deep tissue massage, which actually you can do most of it yourself. That's what I'm doing here. I'm just rocking back, putting my full body weight on like, say, 1 foot at a time, and I'm massaging the bottom of my foot, and that like opens up the muscles and ligaments, and you need to do that because that's the only way that the feet are going to readapt and build up. And I particularly had an injury, you know, had an ankle injury, and I didn't realize that my ankle had kind of like healed in a position that was out of alignment, and then that kind of collapsed my ankle inwards, and over time that led to imbalances in my posture and my walking. And so now I'm working on that. You know, the body is flexible, so nothing is set in stone, pardon the pun, because I'm around all these stones. You know, the body is malleable. And so, you know, I mean, there's nothing better than nature as a rehabilitation therapist, and on all levels. And there's so many like unusual, like in the city, we walk on flat places all the time, and wearing shoes on flat places. Everything is like laid out on a, you know, silver carpet, and your body doesn't have to do anything, and then you end up like forgetting. Your body just loses the wisdom of how to find balance and strength and endurance. And so you know, like just walking on these stones barefoot is very therapeutic, and it offers a lot of opportunities, not just for your feet, but for your whole body. So as you're climbing around, you're moving in different ways that you just don't move in everyday life, when you go into your house and your office and your car, and you're always in the same positions over and over and over. So that's what I'm doing here on this beautiful summer afternoon, evening in the Salto Valley. I hope you've enjoyed this.